Abibo Imbi said.
We are not, but looking for a way to learn Abibo, you say, dance. This is for you, I got you. This is the easiest for you to learn for beginners. So watch down here right now and learn.